We're Angelo and Ylsa. After the government forced our theater in Western New York to close, and with no clear view of when we'd be able to fully reopen, we moved our family into a 15-year-old shuttle bus and made it our tiny off-grid home on wheels. If you want to join us on our adventures, hop aboard by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss a thing.
Oh yeah. Did you have a nice nap?
Did I miss the big ones?
About the same as this.
Yeah.
Did you have a nice nap?
Nice?
Yeah.
What's that sound? Is it the sound of the water?
This mint was in the cracks of my bed, but it was wrapped up.
Okay. Logie, did you know that your sticker is still on your shorts?
I know.
Yes, but we're going to get you some ice cream of your own. Because you were asleep. We tried waking you up. Did you know that?
What did you do?
Logie shook you.
I shook you really, really hard.
Thunder, let's go.
Nothing moving. In a weird way. It's raining. In a weird way.
Papa, I don't like that. Hey, no, guys. What are you doing? Angelo, that's enough, honey. Angelo, I don't like it.
Come on, the cliffs that we've been on, this is nothing.
Yeah, but if you fell, you'd get hurt.
Dad.
Right, tell Papa he shouldn't do that. It says do not climb the fence. Are we rule breakers now?
I didn't climb the fence. I crawled under it.
Look at there. He's going on the edge with his little baby.
I know, that's nuts. Let's see. With an infant in tow.
All right, it's raining. Come on.
It's going to make a tornado. Let's go.
Oh, maybe I can. Oh, wow. I'm impressed. Get to the middle rungs.
I'd love to catch some lightning.
Mommy.
I'm going home now. I'm coming in here.
Mommy,
Buddy,
can you just fly for 8 hours now?
I'll try. I'll try my best, but I might have to stop and sleep, okay? I'll try, baby. We don't want to be dangerous, though. I'll try my best, okay?
I need to take off my shoes. Okay.
Toilet paper loves you. Oh, he got mad. He's like, oh, don't film me caressing her. Oh, there we go.
That was a cool little adventure today.
Yeah.
We should have left, though, right when we left the first place. But the waterfalls were nice after all the dust. You know, after all the terrible dust and dryness, that was really pleasant. All that water and grass and humidity. I'll even take the bugs that come along with it. Those weird little crab spiders. I took a picture of one to look it up to identify it.
Yeah, I want to see.
I held one and it just like skittered all around. It had little pincers for legs.
It was like a little albino mini scorpion.
Yeah, it's the weirdest little thing. Are you filming?
Yeah, I'm filming.
Oh. Yeah, I'm glad. It's kind of like last time we took a journey. We had one last adventure. We could have driven home and been getting home right now. We would have been home already.
Yeah.
It's a little sad. Because that would have been nice.
Now that I know it's so close, I don't care.
I know. I feel like we need to continue adventuring even though we're kind of done.
The adventure is never over.
Right.
And don't worry, folks at home, there's plenty more adventures to be had.
Take the next left onto US.
I know last time we said we were heading home. Wait, which way do I say? Last time we said we were heading home, people were like, oh, I'm so sad. I so enjoyed watching your journey. And it's like, oh no, we're not done. We're just done like right now. There won't even be a break in YouTube episodes. There'll be one every week. By the time we get all of these episodes up, like by the time you see this right now, we'll probably already be in like South Dakota or something.
Yeah.
And our family
Or Maine.
Our family will be calling us and saying, when are you coming home?
We've only done 26 states.
Look how pretty this is. Oh.
It's barely over half.
I know we've got work to do. Oh no, I'm gonna miss it. I love how it silhouettes the trees. I like how that looks. Does everybody buckle up it?
Yeah. So
The toilet paper is blowing in the face behind my
this may have been our last adventure once again. But it's not goodbye, it's see you down the road.
See you down the road.
See you down the road. There will be plenty more adventures. We'll probably film a little bit of what's going on around the Spire in town in the coming episodes. Or not, maybe we'll just take a vacation from filming for a little while until we get back on the road.
No, we have information to share. Now that we have traveled for 15,000 miles and seen half the country, I think we can give tips and advice to people.
Yes.
We can do top 10 favorite things.
Yeah.
you know,
10 things I hate videos, where to get free water.
things to avoid, how to be safe,
Yep.
how to not get ambushed by police.
What not to buy. Well, we're not exactly the experts in how not to get ambushed by
Well,
police.
no, now I know. You don't stay in a business parking lot ever.
I mean,
we
a
probably,
private business parking lot.
We probably
Staying in a
should have
Walmart
got-
parking lot is different.
in hindsight, we should have got a hotel. My mom was like, I was thinking about getting you guys a hotel. If she had done that, we wouldn't have been there
It
for
wouldn't have
that
happened.
experience. However, I wonder if they would have busted into our bus. At least we wouldn't have been there. Our lives are more important than any of the stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, and who's responsible if that happens? If your bus is in the parking lot of mechanics and they get raided by the police, and the police destroy
Damage
your
stuff.
bus, who's
Yeah.
liable for that?
If it can be proven that the warrant covered doing that with probable cause, you know, I guess it's just, that's what happens when stuff is raided. It's your responsibility to deal with it. However, you can file, I think you can file a tort claim for personal property damage if they damage your stuff. If you're not involved, like we'd be an innocent bystander.
I mean, we were an innocent bystander. We've tried filing a tort claim, and no lawyers will answer our phone. Which, by the way, if you know a lawyer in New Mexico, a civil rights lawyer, or any kind of lawyer who'd be willing to take a civil rights case, please let us know.
Yeah, except we found a story about a civil rights attorney who was found dead, and it was considered a suicide
By the police.
But there's a lot of mysterious stuff. There's files missing. The police, I think they were being sued, or the family was filing complaints saying that the police department screwed up the whole investigation, like they were trying to cover something up. So I wouldn't be surprised if she was murdered because she took on some kind of case and they didn't like her.
Yep.
Because that seems to be the tone of law enforcement in that state. It seems like even civil rights attorneys are afraid of the police.
Or if you know a civil rights attorney who would be willing to take a case from outside of the state.
Yeah.
Maybe someone in New York who would be willing to take a New Mexico case.
I don't know
how
if
that
it
works,
way.
but-
I don't think that works. That's very pretty out there.
Anyway, on the happier things, we'll do some how-to videos.
Yeah.
What not to do, what to do, and we've learned a lot in 6 months or more now, almost 7-8 months on the road, and we will share what knowledge we have acquired, and hopefully you can at least learn what not to do from us.